Welcome to Math Mentor Media. In this series of videos about integrals, we will explore a first technique for solving integrals. The technique is called basic integrals, and we will also see an example. The first technique, basic integrals, can be considered as a core technique for solving integrals. At the left of our screen, we see a list of so-called basic formulas. The technique is simply connecting and recognizing these formulas in the integral you wish to solve. Because the technique is rather simple, we only glance at one example offering a combination of several of these formulas. In the first step of the solution, we simply split our given integral into 4 different integrals. Next, we put, if possible, constant factors before the integral sign. Now we are ready to recognize and combine our 4 integrals with the formulas on the left side. The first one, the second and third one, and lastly the fourth one. We then substitute our basic formulas into our given integrals. The second and third integral uses the first basic formula when we encounter integrals with x to a certain power different from -1. We have to add 1 to the power in the integral and divide the result with the same amount. After all these substitution we are done, but do not forget to add a constant denoted by uppercase C to our final solution. If you like our content and want to learn more of these and other mathematical techniques explained by Math Mentor Media, be sure to click on the subscribe button below